besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Promoted Sandra, and if you are new to my channel, to all my returning subscribers, oh my god. Okay, a lot of you guys have been asking me, Sandra, how do you make money? Most especially my friends, those that are close to me. And if you will be watching me, like follow me up, I always talk about you having at least, if it's too small, if it's too minimal, it should be 3 stream of income. But for me, I have more than 3 stream of income. That is what I'm going to be sharing with you guys. You can actually make 200k from this stuff that I'm about to share with you. Now, they are not just 1 stream of income, because I'm going to be listing at up to 6 stream of income. Yes, that is how I make my money. I don't do any other thing to get money. I work. So it depends on you. If you want to make up to 1 million, you can also make up to 1 million. I just feel like I don't want to be greedy to myself. I don't just want to, at least I can't make all the money in the world. So why will I hide it? Why should I be hiding it? So let me show you guys. The first one on my list is online survey. Okay, there's this online survey which I'm going to be displaying on the screen right now. This online survey can actually pay you up to like $200, $300 in a month, depending on how you answer your questions. Okay, this is how it works. This online survey, what do? You register with your email. Once you finish your registration, they are going to be sending you questions. It's just like asking you questions and you just answer. And mind you, when you are filling your form, please make sure you are being sincere. When it comes to your age, when it comes to your qualifications, when it comes to all the questions they are going to be asking you, make sure you are being sincere. If you are not working, let them know you are not working, because this online survey is just basically questions. They are going to be asking you questions. And one thing I love about the online survey is not something that you need to like crack your head to answer. They already have options there. All you just need to click, all you just need to do is just to pick the correct answers to the questions that is being asked. That is just all you need to do. And another thing about the online survey is once you finally answer your question, like when you register at first, you are going to be giving like up to, depending on how you answer your questions, you are going to be giving like $4, free $4, $1, $2, $3, just free, depending on how you answer your questions. Because the reason why I'm saying this is when I registered, they gave me $4 for free. Are you getting it? For registration, for answering my questions and all that. So I believe I actually answer my questions to an extent. I believe some persons might also credit some persons $5, $10, depending on how you answer your question. This online survey, when they give you survey to do, when they give you question to answer, they will give you time. Just read carefully and answer all the questions carefully. So you have to answer according to the time. This is how to make up to $200, $300 per month. Yes, you can actually withdraw your money even before the month runs out. The noise, oh my god. They are going to be sending you questions. They are going to be sending you email. All you need to do, make sure you register with a valid email that they can reach you with, because definitely they are going to be sending you emails every day. No, first come first serve. That is how it works. You have to be always checking your email. So once the email is dropped in your thing, you are going to see fake online survey. You are just going to see stuff like that. Let me see if I can actually show you guys on the screen. But if I can't do that, just to know, once you register, you are going to see an email. So that is how they. And one thing about this company is that they have large companies, like big companies like Dangote, like Indomie company, like Spaghetti company, like Picnic, like Pampers. A lot of companies are actually paying them to get to know more about their products, just all of those things. And it's something that you can withdraw with any. You are going to be seeing your withdrawal stuff there, so you can decide to use any option for your withdrawing, like to withdraw your money and all that. And make sure you're always online, because one thing is that when they give them this target, and probably you are they need just 1,000 persons to answer their questions, and you will not come on time. If they've already gotten their 1,000 persons, once you answer the question, your question will be irrelevant. They are not going to credit you any this thing. Before, they will tell you that there's a language they normally use. They will tell you the survey have been broken or stuff like that, or you are not qualified for this. And another way to make more money in this survey is when you invite people to join, you get credited with like $2, $3. So imagine when you invite 10 persons to join, 20 persons. So I'm definitely going to be leaving the link of this survey, because if you go online, like on Google to search for survey, you're going to see a lot of survey, and a lot of them don't pay. They will trick you. But this particular one that pays, I've been enjoying it. This particular one that pays, I'm going to be leaving the link at the description section. All you just need to do is click on it and join. Make sure you check the comment section. I'm going to be leaving the link at the comment section and at the description section. section. Make sure you click on it, join, register, and start making free money. You don't pay for it. All you just need to do is monetize your knowledge, monetize your brain, like use your brain. This online survey is general worldwide, so wherever parts of the world you are staying, you can join. Then there's this other one known as PiggyVest. I don't know if you guys have heard of PiggyVest. PiggyVest is just like an online saving bank, but right now they've started building their bank, which is known as Providius Bank. So most especially if you stay in Nigeria, this one is for you. PiggyVest, all you need to do is register. There's what to call marketer, like bank marketers. What marketers does is they normally go out to invite people to bank with them. So whenever they invite one person or two persons to bank with them, there is a certain amount they are being paid. I don't know. There's a certain amount that be paid, but with this PiggyVest, what PiggyVest do is that definitely they pay 2,000 naira for you to invite one person. Imagine that 2,000 naira. They're not going to give you the 2,000 naira. They are going to share it. They give you 1,000 naira. While the person you invited, they will give that person 1,000 naira. Just like every other bank, when you open an account, you are going to deposit money. But with this PiggyVest, all you need to deposit. As at then when I joined, I deposited just 1,200, and with 1,200, I was able to make almost 50,000 plus. Are you getting it? So what you do basically is so there's just noise in this environment. So all you need to do is you will if you register 10 persons, then you get 10,000 naira. When you register 20 persons, you get 20,000 naira. So you can register as many persons you can register. You don't even need to know anybody to do this. You just invite people, tell them about it, and when you yourself register, you get 1,000 naira. So when you register, I think they've actually increased their money right now. So when you register, you pay 2,200. You credit your account to 2,200. So they will not add 1,000 naira to it, which will not make it 3,000 plus. Are you getting it? And there's another good thing about this Providius Bank, which is known as PiggyVest. So I'm going to be leaving the link at the description section. All the links, I'm going to be leaving it at the description section and at the comment section. I'm going to pin it up. All you just need to do, you click on it, you register it online, open it to your browser and register. So once you are done with the registration, all you need to do is download the app, PiggyVest app. When you download it, you are going to see your cash, you are going to see your money. Just make sure you register it successfully. So put all their details, everything. Once it's been successful, you'll be credited 1,000 naira. So imagine when you register 10 persons, those who register successfully credit their account with 2,000 naira. Then at the end of the day, you'll be credited 1,000 naira. That person will also be credited 1,000 naira. So you both will be sharing 2,000 naira. I don't know if you are getting it. So that is how to make money with PiggyVest. And once you register, if there's anything you find it difficult using the PiggyVest, just let me know, or you can go to their Instagram account and send them a message if you have any issues with the registration. They are on Instagram already verified. They are on Facebook, everywhere. Search for them, send them a message, DM them. They will definitely answer you, because when I registered, then I was having issue with my verification and all that. So I messaged them and they told me what to do, and I verified. So I've been using it since last year December until now. I've been enjoying it. So amazing. I've been making a lot of money using PiggyVest, and this is so, and you can also save your money there. And there's another thing is that any amount you have on your account, at the end of the month they will credit you 10% of that money you have in your account. Isn't that amazing? Just like you guys that dropped your money in another bank, they don't credit you anything, you don't get any percentage. But PiggyVest, you are going to get percentage. You are going to be seeing stuff. Once you register on PiggyVest, you are going to be checking the settings section. So you are going to be seeing your invitation link. That invitation link carry a little right up, and once you invite anybody they successfully join, you get 1,000 naira. So with that, imagine if you are able to register 100 persons, that is 100,000 naira, right? 50 persons, 50,000. So 50,000 plus $200 or $300, you're already making money. That is why I said you can actually make up to $1 million. People are making millions. If you go online to search for it and register, you will not get anything. That is just it. If you use my link now, you are going to get 1,000 naira for using my link, and I'm also going to get 1,000 naira for the invitation. So both of us are going to be benefiting 1,000 naira compared to when you just go without any invitation at the end of the day you not get credited, you not gain anything. So that is how it works. Then the third thing that I do is Amazon affiliate. So if you're an Amazon affiliate, you can register as Jumia. If you stay in Africa, if you want to register as Jumia affiliate, you can also register as Jumia affiliate. You can also make money. What you need to do is Google it, to register, or browse it. You are going to see how to register. And you can also register as Amazon affiliate, where you sell their products. All you just need to do is run adverts for their products, like promote their products, and you get paid. Anyone that click your link to buy that product, you definitely get paid. You definitely get paid. The next thing is inboxdollars.com. Inboxdollars.com. You're going to be seeing it on the screen. Hey, oh God. So guys, you're going to bear it because the noise in this environment is kind of over high. So there's what to call inboxdollars.com. You can also make money using inboxdollar.com. All you just need to do is watch video, register. All they need is your email, register, and put your account details where you want them to credit you. You watch videos and you get paid. Another platform to make money is swagbucks.com. Swagbucks.com. All you basically do is watch video, drop your account details, and they're also going to be asking you questions like survey stuff, and you get paid. So guys, if you actually enjoyed this video, thank you. I'm going to be ending it because the noise is so massive. You can't just continue with this. All right, see you guys on my next video. Bye. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Like this video, comment, share with your friends. Make money. Make sure you make money. Thank you guys. Bye.